Right.
May I request everyone please get settled. It will take hardly 5 minutes to sum up 42 hours, 48 hours. 2 day sessions, almost 16 hours, only 5 minutes to sum up. Once again, may I request everyone to please get settled. Kuntal da please. 5 मिनट आप ही की बात करूँगा. Once the topic comes with the training, learning, and understanding, I'll take you to travel to the Dwapar Yuga, where Sandipan Rishi opened an ashram. Bhaiya Balram and Sri Krishna went together with Sudama. All three were taught together the same syllabus, same facts. But there was a passion which made the big difference between all three. One holds with the nerves, one holds with the title, nerves with the Kanha, title with Gadadhar, and one was driven with situation by Sudama. मेरे पास resources नहीं मिले. He was searching for food, and Balram was searching for the enemy, and Kanha was searching for the love and affairs and others. So this is the actually difference between two candidates which leads success and one stuck somewhere. The teachers are not to be blamed. The condition shall never be blamed. First of all, I'll take this opportunity to thank our HR team who has had that insight that yes, our team needs to be trained to be a real trainer. And I once again thank them for inviting us, the person who has already spent almost 2 decades in the field of their own expertise. To be very frank, our respected teachers are there and they will be trainer all the way and for entire time. खुल के बजा लो यार. And absolutely they will be in our heart, in our brain all the time. Because after, almost spending 2.5 decades, I told in my speech also that I have spent almost 2.5 decades on the stage for live performances, for public speaking, for conducting the cultural events. And even though the first sentence which was delivered by Ajay sir strike me, I told, similar thing I did, but I need some refinement, some improvisation. So every training which comes to us and we go to take that training particularly will give us something extra. What we need to take, just hold your nerves and get ready to learn something extra. It was the target, I came with a target to understand the facts, how I have to present myself, how I have to categorize the events, how do I have to prepare myself, how do I have to structure my scripts and all. And I think for me it is overachieved. And a big congratulations to both the efforts of both the trainers. And can I request the participants, can you please give a standing ovation to the team? The day one we started, I know few of you, I knew few of you, and then during the session I could come to know better than previous. And what I personally assume and what I personally witnessed was बहुत progress है boss. ये 10 minutes का feedback अगर आपको यहाँ पहुँचा सकता है तो self awareness and self assessment can take you to the any height. हम जब भी कभी स्टेज पे जाते हैं, what I remember, just I close my eyes for 2 seconds. I remember my best performance. Can I touch that? If I touch that, I just believe after 2 minutes of a speech, I can cross that. Just set a target for your own. I know Murli sir has already promised, the head HR has promised that there will be certain trainings every month which is required. Just I'll quote one example or one story which came through during my school days. My papa was one of the bureaucrats. And he regularly, when he was the training officer of one of the great police services academy, so he told कि बेटा जब भी आप कहीं जाते हो, there is some performance error, there is something which stops you to perform. He told me one story of लकड़हारा जो लकड़ियाँ काटता है और शहर में बेचता है. उन्होंने बोला कि एक लकड़हारा था जो हर दिन 100 पेड़ काट देता था. तो उसके पीछे पीछे गांव का एक और आदमी गया and he told कि मैं भी काटूंगा 100 पेड़. He started with practicing and all. वो ज़्यादा हट्टा कट्टा, ज़्यादा powerful and हथियार भी उसका बड़ा था. It happens like if you carry the harder bats, the heavier bats, the shot goes deeper and higher. As Sachin Tendulkar did that in past. Just I'm quoting the example just to correlate the things. तो उन्होंने वही किया कि बड़ा हथियार है, मैं पावरफुल हूँ, आई कैन कट मैक्सिमम ट्रीज देन 100 एंड आई कैन सेट अ रिकॉर्ड टू दैट। पहले दिन काटा 80 कटा, फिर ट्राई किया 90 कटा, फिर 100 कटा, उसके बाद वो थकने लगे, फिर 80 पे आ गए। तो उन्होंने पहले वाले से पूछा, एक्सपीरियंस वाले से पूछा, विच वी डिड, जिनके पास जिस सब्जेक्ट का नॉलेज था, एक्सपीरियंस था, हमने उनसे बातें की एंड देन वी adapted something, we included something, Anil did most of the time, Sakshi did most of the time, and we took name also. तो उन्होंने बोला तुम ऐसा क्या करते हो कि भाई 8 घंटे की तुम भी ड्यूटी कर रहे हो, 8 घंटे मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, तुम 100 पेड़ कंटिन्यूअसली काटते हो, मेरा कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, ऐसा क्यों, क्या करते हो ऐसा? तो बोला मैं 4 घंटे आता हूँ, पहले फ्रेश ब्रेन रहता हूँ, अच्छी पावर रहती है, एनर्जी रहती है, आई कट द 50 or 60 or 40, then I take a break and then again I eat and I take break for 10 or 20 minutes and again I cut the tree. He started doing like that, but he could not cross. Well, what extra you do? Well, I take 20 minutes break. What do you do in that? I sharpen my axe.
Oh!
So these training are the sharpening your own axe. So please be positive towards it. And Murli sir, once again it's a request from our entire house that please do conduct such training so that we can sharpen ourselves. That's all. I think this story could have told everything of mine what I have gone through. Once again, thank you very much and big thanks to you all, both of you. You have done a fantastic job to us, and I think this 16 hours, this will go further for the 16 years and more than 16 years. We'll be performing whenever we'll go to a stage, whenever we'll hold that mic, we'll remember your faces and we'll remember punchlines. So we'll go ahead with that. Once again, a very much thank. I mean, once again. I feel privileged to be a part of this team, although I was in Bhubaneswar and was called by the SR team to attend this training, and I love to have that participant in the next training session also, and I do believe that you people are also waiting for such moment. So thank you very much. Once again, thank you very much.